Hi everyone and welcome again to Lake Garda. There are many reasons why you should choose Lake Garda as your next holiday destination. The breathtaking landscape between waves and mountains and its picturesque towns. Great outdoor activities, art and history, and delicious food. So, if you want to better organize your holidays without getting lost among all the possible destinations to visit, watch this video to imagine how to arrange your trip to the western part of the lake, between Tremosine and Rocca of Manerba, passing through Gargnano, Gardone and Salò. While for the north and the south parts of the lake you'll find travel tips in these videos. Rocca di Manerba is one of the most panoramic spots on Lake Garda. From there, you can admire Isola dei Conigli, Isola del Garda, Mount Baldo, and all the coastal towns. Standing from the shores of Lake Garda to the mountains, Tremosine is a real wonder. Take the spectacular Strada della Forra, a breathtaking road with dark tunnels and gorges. The eighth wonder of the world, that's how it was defined by Winston Churchill. You can go hiking or biking, visit the 18 villages that form the municipality, and admire Lake Garda from above. It's really relaxing to walk between the port and the small picturesque alleys of Gargnano. The center is pretty unique because of palaces with cannonballs on their facades due to an Austrian bombardment in 1866. Named one of the most beautiful small towns in Italy, Gardone Riviera hosts one of the most famous attractions of Lake Garda, Vittoriale degli Italiani, and the André Botanic Garden, with a one-of-a-kind collection of plants from all over the world. Salò is the largest city on the western shore of Lake Garda, and in every corner it's possible to come across statues, buildings, and much more that date back to the times of the Venetian Republic. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel!